everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. Neat car, guys. If you're looking for a fun little cruiser, you're going to like this car. Factory color combination. It's Marina blue metallic. It's got the Marina blue, or I'm sorry, not Marina blue, medium blue cloth and vinyl interior on it. Really just a cool car. Kind of a car that hasn't been really messed with a whole lot. I said it's actually an older restoration that's just been freshened up a little. The car really hits the road good. Good, solid, straight body. Slick paint. It's original California car. Matter of fact, it's still even got the original AIR system that the California cars are required to come with. Original drivetrain, 283 automatic, factory rear axle. You can see they've upgraded the wheels and tires. It's got BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels. Just a fun cruiser. Just a good, honest, straight old car. It's got a couple of the original T3 headlights in it. Chrome and stainless is really nice. They've definitely replaced those bumpers. But you can see the grill in there is really nice. Again, paint slick. There's a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it, but not much. Just a good, honest, straight old car right here. Touch-up mark there. Turn the key and go cruise. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. This is just my favorite time of year to cruise an old car, man. The weather's a little cooler. The cars like the weather. Easy on you, easy on the car. My wife and I went out with the dinner in an old car last night, which is actually my favorite thing to do, man. I'm not a huge car show guy, but man, I like to do stuff like that. Jump in an old car, cruise out, go to dinner. That's just a little water spot. Those little things will come off there, guys. You're seeing that. Touch-up mark there. Yeah, I dig that, man. Again, BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Torque Thrust 2 wheels. Car sits real good. Yeah, nice and straight. It's a great body style too. It's still got the new sticker on the wheel there. Polished Torque Thrust 2s. Complete original drivetrain, it said matching numbers, 283. Would have been factory, a 2-barrel car. They've upgraded to an Edelbrock 4-barrel. Stock intake, factory exhaust manifolds, power steering. They've upgraded to HEI ignition. It's got an Accel super coil on it. Really bone stock underneath the hood here. Just a clean old car. Really drove down the road good. 8-pillar chrome's really nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory blue on blue. Steering wheel looks good. They put an aftermarket RPM tach in it. Showing 35, 213. I don't know the mileage at, I'm sure that's 135, but I don't know the actual miles on the resto. AM FM cassette radio. I think the only thing that wasn't really working was the blower motor. We're gonna have to check. Nathan said those, what do you call it? They're a little stiff, so we'll have to check on those, the selectors. It's got dual exhaust. I'll touch it right there. Factory 10-bolt rear end, no big gear, anything like that. Definitely something to get in, turn the key, go get some ice cream, go cruise around your local car shows, have a blast with kind of car. All your original owner's manuals, Protecto plates, spares in here. Pretty original underneath. As always, there's photos underneath all our cars. And stressing to you a ton, please, 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 if you're looking at one of our cars, pick up the phone and call us. A lot of fraud out there right now, a lot of scams. So to make sure you're dealing with us, man, pick up the phone and call us at 248-620-3355. Yeah, it's just a good car. Dash is really nice. Gauges are nice and clean. And again, another one of those cars we're talking about that you don't have to break the bank. Check on that. I'm not real sure about that. If they had a problem with the fan hitting that. Looks like an aftermarket. That's an aftermarket shroud. So I'll have the guys check on it. But just runs and drives just, like I say, as sweet as can be. The thing runs great. Yeah, good car right there, man. Someone's gonna have a blast with this thing. Tach works, fuel gauge works. Really not much anything else in there for gauges. Door seams are good. Yeah, you want a fun cruiser, man. You're gonna, backup lights work. I mean, it's just a good old car. Like I say, something that really hasn't been messed with a whole lot. Radio works. We will check on those little controls there. Nathan said they're really stiff. Sometimes that's just from lack of use. Oh, we got a blinker out on that side. We'll check it. Usually it's just a bulb. Get in there and wiggle it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also check us out on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can now always register for our website for new inventory updates. Another great way to keep in touch with us. Or as I prefer, the old-fashioned way, 248-620-3355. In fact, these must be pretty doggone new wheels. They'll have the stickers right on them. A lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. Have a great day, guys.